universe is everything. Every breath you take, every moment in history, and every atom in existence is contained within this infinite tapestry of time, space, and matter. Earth feels massive to us, a world of endless oceans and towering mountains. But in the grand cosmic theater, we are just a small spinning ball of rock orbiting one of 200 billion stars in the Milky Way. Our galaxy itself is but a single drop in an ocean of galaxies spread across a staggering 90 billion light-years. Take a moment away from the daily routine and look up. Those twinkling lights aren't just decorations, they are windows into a vast, dangerous, and beautiful frontier. Today, we aren't just looking at the stars, we are going to them. Fasten your seatbelts, because this journey will be thrilling and full of wonders. Let's lift off from the surface of Earth and head toward the farthest reaches of the cosmos. As we rise above the surface, our planet begins to look like a glowing blue sphere. At 400 kilometers up, we pass the International Space Station, the largest structure humans have ever built in space. It orbits at a speed of over 27,000 kilometers per hour, completing 16 revolutions every single day. We push further, 400,000 kilometers away. We reach the moon. Look closely. Those footprints left by Neil Armstrong are still there, frozen in time, because there is no atmosphere to erase them. From here, Earth looks like a fragile blue marble floating in the dark. Our next stop is Venus, often called Earth's twin because of its size and gravity. But Venus is a living hell. It experiences intense storms of sulfuric acid, and its greenhouse effect is so violent that surface temperatures hit 465 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. We skim past Mercury, a scarred rock with extreme temperature swings, and then we face the source of all our energy, the Sun. 1 million Earths could fit inside this star. Its gravity controls the entire solar system, and massive solar flares rise thousands of kilometers above its surface. Now, we arrive at the red planet, Mars. Scientists are curious about Mars because they believe it may once have supported life. Today, it is cold and barren. But it holds Olympus Mons, a volcano nearly 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Beyond Mars, we enter the asteroid belt, a collection of rocky remnants that never formed into a planet because of Jupiter's gravity. Next is Jupiter, the largest planet in our system. It is so massive that all the other planets combined would not equal its size. It has no solid surface to stand on, only swirling gases and the Great Red Spot, a storm larger than 3 Earths that has raged for centuries. But look at its moon, Europa. Scientists believe a vast ocean of liquid water lies beneath its thick ice, raising the possibility of alien life. We fly past Saturn, known for its magnificent rings of ice and rock, and pass its moon Titan, which has its own atmosphere and rivers of liquid methane. Then, we hit the distant ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. We are now passing the Kuiper Belt, home to Pluto, and the dwarf planet Eris. We are leaving the Sun's neighborhood and entering interstellar space. Look there, a small, lonely machine. That is Voyager 1, the farthest human-made object from Earth. Beyond it lies the Oort cloud, a distant shell of icy objects marking the very outer boundary of the Sun's gravitational influence. We cross into the unknown darkness. 4.3 light-years away, we reach Alpha Centauri, our nearest neighboring star system. But even this is just the beginning. As we continue, the Milky Way begins to spiral beneath us, 100,000 light-years across, filled with billions of stars. And yet, as we zoom out, our entire galaxy begins to look like a tiny dot in intergalactic space. Now, the scale becomes impossible to imagine. Our galaxy belongs to the local group, which is just a tiny part of the Virgo Supercluster. Zoom out further, and we find Laniakea, a massive structure stretching over 520 million light-years. At this scale, all superclusters look like tiny dots of light, forming a cosmic web. Finally, we reach the limit, the observable universe. This is the part of the universe we can see, limited by the speed of light. But is this the end? Some scientists suggest the possibility of a multiverse, countless universes beyond our own. What lies beyond the observable limit remains one of the greatest mysteries of existence. We've traveled trillions of miles only to realize how precious our comfortable home really is. Earth is a tiny, vibrant island in a silent, infinite ocean. So, how was this journey to the edge of the universe? Does it change how you look at the sky? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures.